Hey folks, how's it going? I'm here in the park today, Central Park that is, and we're on a fungi mushroom quest. I've been here about an hour so far, but I haven't been able to see anything. And if you're wondering why I have my hand here, it's kind of windy, so I'm trying to block the old wind. Lots of colour, so we'll keep moving and see what we find. Of course, the wind just kicks up as I'm trying to get this shot. It's not a bit dark in here too, so ISO is up to 200. Actually, well, ISO 300 maybe, 400, 320. So I can get my shutter speed up to 500 because there's a lot of wind. I walked by this a few minutes ago and of course it was fine. This might be a nice little black and white leaf. So yeah, not too much in the way of fungi and mushrooms and stuff. Plenty of lichen, but you hear that wind? I've always said like Central Park is a tough place to shoot. It's just so messy. And I'm hoping today with the fall colours, autumn colours, that we can isolate something and see. The sun is trying to poke its head through too, so you never know. I might get something, but it's been a while since I've been out, so I'm not putting pressure on myself. It's the last thing I want to do, so we'll keep walking around and see what we can find. Right, let's head up over here at the top of the rocks and we'll see. As I nearly killed myself. There we go. Alright. Anybody see anything? Maybe some individual leaves or something on these rocks with a bit of colour might be nice. Nope, nothing around here. I did see a cool looking bird, but no idea what it was. And I had a squirrel pose for me nicely. So I'll pop the squirrel photograph up now so you can see it. Found a little leaf here. It's nothing special, but I figured why not? So we're gonna go stop down to like we'll do f3.2. Drop my ISO back down actually. It's giving me ISO 100, shutter 1/100 of a second, I know it's windy and stuff, but there's no wind here, so I don't need to go any higher than that. And it'll be a square crop when it's done. Just like how the colours in the rock behind. Let me just see that I get focus, because my eyes are not what they used to be. No, I think the rock behind is in focus, so let's do that again. Put it dead center. I'm gonna go to manual for a second. Wrong one. I really should have brought my glasses today. There we go. Finally. All right. Just found this little grouping of mushrooms. Unfortunately though, they're kind of broken and not the best, so I've taken a couple of photographs anyway. We'll see how they turn out. Alright, there's some water around here, a little tiny little waterfall somewhere, so let's go head down there and see what we can find. Hey folks, so I'm here at a little waterfall / stream. I've been here for about an hour now trying to find something, but it's just like a lot of fallen leaves, so I'm trying to isolate leaves and I get some movement of the water behind it, but I'm not really having much luck at the moment. Show you what I have set up. So I'm here, I'm just trying to find leaves in here. They keep moving on me. Current keeps taking them away, so like I said, I've taken a couple already. If they're any good, if they're any good, I'll stick them on screen. And yeah, it's been fun though, and that's the main thing. Yeah, this isn't really working at all. I've come down here. I was thinking if I could use this stream, waterfalls as a leading line, but there's really like nothing up here. That was one thought I had. I have the tripod set up here now, trying to see if I can get something. There was a leaf on this rock, and of course I didn't get there in time, it's too small. But yeah. What's happening is all the leaves are stuck to the rock, but the water's flowing over the leaf. So it's not giving me any definition in the leaves or anything, so it's kind of pointless. I took some, they're not great, but I might wait a few minutes more and see if I can figure something out. Welcome to Central Park. Beautiful, but really hard to compose. I've even tried throwing leaves onto that rock to see if it'd stick, but no luck. So, c'est la vie. There is a lake with a building, or not a building, with a cityscape I had taken a few years ago, so I think I'll head over there next. And I'll check back in when I get there. Alright folks, see you in a bit. Bye bye. So I found a spot, but like I said, straight into the light. I'll play around anyhow. I have my ND filter polarizer. The polarizer only won't work because I'm directly into the sunlight, so I'm gonna hang out here for a while, see what happens. Spin you around so you can see, and hopefully I don't blind you. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it, and until the next time. Alright, see you later folks, bye bye.